This is internal layer. This is the internal layer of the calyx. I am going to tear it so as to, now see this red colored, it is the petal or the corolla. I am just going to remove carefully so as to show you completely. See carefully, just I am going to remove. Now see here, the flower has bisexual character. This flower has male and female both the organs present together. Now see, I have removed completely. Now see, this is the ovary, the lower portion, this white portion, it is ovary. This whitish, this small white portion is ovary, and this is, filament tube. This is a different type of flower. This is slightly complex flower, that's why I have taken to explain you. So this is, filament tube. Now see, in this flower, all the filaments, male reproductive part, they have formed a covering around the female portion, that is the style. Now see here, just watch carefully. Here see, just I have sent you the picture. So these 8 or 9, 3, 10 are the number of stigmas. Individual stigmas are there, so they deviate from each other. Now here the male portions are there. The male portions are here. They have formed this layer, filament tube around this male. Now I am going to remove it also. See carefully. Now see, this is the, I have removed. So this is the broken ovary, and this is the just I am going to remove. See, we can remove it. It is not being removed. So see, this is the these are the male portions. You watch very carefully. These are the teeny particles like, but basically they are the male portions. So this is the female, and so this is all about the male and female reproductive parts in a flower. Children, I am going to explain you some more about some flowers. So see, I have taken a flower, I have removed some of the points. So see, this is the female portion, and in this female portion, see this thalamus. This is the thalamus on which all the parts they rest. This above this is the greenish. You must be seeing very carefully. This is the ovary, and this thread-like structure, it is style, and here the topmost portion, it is the stigma. On this pollen grains they fall. This is the stalk. Now see the petals. See the petals. This is colored, beautiful colored, because their purpose is to attract the insects for the pollination. Now see, I am going to remove carefully the male portion. Now see, here there is the male portion. Just I am going to remove it to show you. Now see clearly, this is the one male, 2, 3, 4, and this swollen portion or the top, this it is, see carefully, this is the anther lobe. They produce the anther pollen grains. So this is about one flower. This flower was small. Now this I have taken the other flower. This is hibiscus. Now see the group of sepals. This is the outermost layer. So this is called as apicalyx. So group of sepals is called as calyx. group of sepals is called as calyx. So this flower has one more extra layer. So this is the calyx. Now this is internal layer. This is the internal layer of the calyx. I am going to tear it so as to, now see this red colored, it is the petal or the corolla. I am just going to remove carefully so as to show you completely. See carefully. Just I am going to remove. Now see here, the flower has bisexual character. This flower has male and female both the organs present together. Now see, I have removed completely.